name is Deb Kees. I own Kees Architecture in La Crosse, Wisconsin. My specialty is custom residential design, any scale of design. I do things as small as bathroom additions to new construction. I've been in the La Crosse area for about 10 years now. Prior to that, I was an architect out of the Twin Cities. I met Larry from Used Anew through the Builders Association in La Crosse. We were introduced. And coming from the Twin Cities, I had relied on a lot of resources to really help customize a lot of homes I work in, bring personal touches, unique textures, colors. And I found Used Anew to be a really valuable resource for homeowners. I think my first trip out to Used Anew was with a homeowner to specifically look for personal touches that we could bring to her home. We ended up finding everything from a wooden mantle to barn boards for accent walls to incredibly small touches that Larry actually produced on site custom for the homeowner, like a small table to go in a bathtub. I find it invaluable to have a resource like Used Anew, especially for what I do, custom residential. Again, to be able to take homeowners out to see him, out to his showroom where they can touch and feel different textures and different products, walk through his yard where he's got literal boards that you can pick the board that you want in your house. Working with the owners of Used Anew, Larry and Lou, was so easy. They were really laid back, really helpful. If they didn't have a product, they were able to talk about finding something or calling when they got certain sizes in that we needed. I will absolutely go back to Used Anew again.